So my first question will be, what do you think? What is entrepreneurship?
I think entrepreneurship is something, if you have an idea to start up with something great and to make that idea into a business so that you can make a good amount of money with that.
प्यारी समझ गई.
So the question is, who are the entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs are the persons who provides job employment for the societies. They support those people, and there are many skills which they teach to students also, like communication. They try to improve their capabilities to achieve their goals, etc.
Nice.
So the ideal answer should be, entrepreneurship is the process of identifying opportunities, taking risk, and creating innovative solutions and businesses that bring value to the society. Entrepreneurs are people who create or manage businesses, take financial risk, and create new innovative solutions and bring services, products into the market to add value to the society.
तेरा नाम क्या है वैसे तो?
मिसाइल देसले.
ओ ब्रांच.
आईटी.
तो तुझे क्या पता है ई-सेल के बारे में?
कुछ नहीं.
तो साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
क्या यार.
गजब बेइज्जती.
Do you have any idea about our college ECEL, what it does?
No,
Not
not really. No.
तो वो सारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
How does e-cell help students?
Okay, e-cells help students by providing support by mentors, investors, like that, and they give confidence कि लोगों से कैसे बात करनी है, क्या कम्युनिकेशन बिल्डअप करता है आपका, और वो आपको न्यू आइडियाज़ देता है कि नए नए आइडियाज़ पे कैसे काम करें. ये सब इसमें आपको बहुत मदद करता है.
Do you know what is the vision of e-cell?
Yeah, the vision of e-cell is about forming communities of students with ideas potential ideas which can convert into successful business ventures in future.
So the ideal answer should be, ECEL helps organizing events such as startup boot camps, business hackathons, business plan competitions, and expert talks. It gives students real life exposure into how entrepreneurship looks. ECEL helps students connect with like-minded mentors and potential investors, and it exposes students to the startup ecosystem by gaining practical knowledge of real world and teaching them how to pitch their ideas and take up entrepreneurship as a potential career. Joining ECEL will help students to build a network with like-minded peers and take entrepreneurship as a career path in future. So, how does entrepreneurship help students? ECEL क्या-क्या skills develop करने में help करता है?
आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट कि तुमको अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना आना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट्स द प्राइमरी थिंग. अगर तुम खुद को अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे या तुम्हारा आइडिया तुम फॉरवर्डली अच्छे से नहीं रख पा रहे हो, देन देर इज़ नो पॉइंट. तुम्हारा आइडिया $1 billion आइडिया भी होगा, स्टिल इट वोंट वर्क. इट वुड टेक अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इम्प्रूव एंड डू ऑल दो स्टफ्स. तो आई थिंक e-cell also helps in building up confidence, which is why you can then go and pitch to various companies, and then you can like really put yourself forward for your idea.
That's such a confident fresher.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही यार.
आई टोटली अग्री विथ हर. उसने जो बोला एक्चुअली बहुत सही है कि जितना भी छोटा आइडिया हो या कितना भी बड़ा हो, इवन वो छोटे आइडिया को आपको प्रेजेंट करना आना चाहिए लोगों के सामने. इफ़ आप प्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, लाइक बात करना नहीं आ रहा या कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ नहीं हो आप, तो वो छोटी आइडिया भले ही वो आगे जाके कितनी भी हेल्प करे, बट आप प्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर पाओगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. वो आइडिया डेड हो जाएगी ऑन द स्पॉट. सो मुझे तो वही लगता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस और ये सब बहुत मैटर करता है इसके लिए. इफ़ यू हैव
These are a bunch of very talented freshers.
तो मुझे क्या लगता है कि बिजनेस रन करने का जो फोबिया होता है वो सब दूर करने में बहुत हेल्प करता है e-cell. जो कि अभी सब लोगों का क्या है कि 9 to 5 जॉब में जाना है. इससे अच्छा अगर e-cell के थ्रू लोगों को फोबिया दूर होगा कि रिस्की नहीं है और बिजनेसेस भी शुरू कर सकते हैं.
वाओ सो या मैं वही सोच रही थी कि मेरे को भी ईसेल एक्चुअली ज्वाइन करना है. सो
Guys, we got team members through this task. So the next question is, what skills does an entrepreneurship cell develop?
Leadership skills and also marketing skills.
Right.
Makes you a good collaborator as well as open to criticism.
So the ideal answer should be entrepreneurship helps students to develop their problem solving skills, creativity and also the ability to take risk. It encourages to think independently for them.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Yes.
Which branch?
CSE IoT.
So, which all skills you need to become the CEO?
So there are hardworking skill, patience, management, and the most important one, you need a rich friend who has a business background.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
What is startup?
So basically, a startup is an idea where your idea works 100 crores on slides but zero in your account.
मैं गरीब हूँ.
So the ideal answer should be a startup is newly established business created and to offer innovative products such as services, etc. So there are many ways in which we can contribute to society, such as innovation, economic growth. We can provide jobs to the people and reduce the unemployment ratio.
So I'm very bad at waking up early. So I would definitely create a app or a website so that according to your sleep limits, if you'll sleep beyond our limit, so you will earn money. Something like that.
That's crazy. Okay.
What's your one business idea that you think it will grow?
Stationery and Xerox. Stationery.
Hi guys, what's your name?
I'm Om.
I'm Priya.
And you're from first year?
Yeah.
Okay. So, who's the funniest entrepreneur you can think of?
According to me, it's Elon Musk. Bro hits bangers on Twitter and drops all the stock markets.
समझ रहे हो आप?
For me, it's Raj Shamani because
The podcast guy?
yeah.
Okay.
So basically, you have watched his content. So he's like an entrepreneur, but also his content is like funny. He's a funny guy.
Hello.
Hi.
So I have one question for you. Who is the funniest entrepreneur you can think of?
Ashnir Grover.
Why?
बिकॉज वो किधर भी आ जाता है, बिग बॉस में आ जाता है, शार्क टाइम में आता है और वो दोगला है इसीलिए. सो
वो डोगरा
अग्रीड ना.
ये फंस गया सी.
Who among you is most likely to become an entrepreneur? किसका मतलब ऐसा है तुम में से कि इसका तो पक्का कोई सीक्रेट स्टार्टअप होगा या he is the most likely to start a startup? क्या लगता है?
I think he's
यही होगा, वो यही होगा.
Why him?
because वो काफ़ी प्लान रखता है चीज़ों को, बहुत सोचता है वो चीज़ों के बारे में. एंड आई थिंक ये दिमाग वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने स्टार्टअप में भी लगाता
एंड
होगा.
हम लोग क्लासेस में भी रहते हैं ना, तो ये एक्चुअली बहुत ध्यान रखता है जितना हम दोनों नहीं रख पाते एज अ गर्ल्स. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें वो
What
क्वालिटी.
do you have to say on that?
I don't know anything. Like I have that phobia myself of running a business. So I'm going to start a business now after all.
अभी he is going to start. Okay, thank you.
कभी लगता है कि पुलिस भगवान है.
Most likely to become an entrepreneur and why?
I doubt.
I totally doubt. What do you think? Who will become an entrepreneur?
Maybe she can.
She can.
Yeah.
Why?
Because she's confident.
She's confident.
So is she? Come on.
And अगर ऐसा है कि तुम दोनों में से someone is who is most likely to start a secret startup? No one.
कॉलेज के बाहर मोमोज का दुकान या दैट वर्क्स
That's one idea that will work for sure. साथ में अच्छा okay, they want to do it together.
करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ